One of the most notable buildings in the South is the Grand Ole Opry. It was a great privilege to get to work on this large landmark. Now, as you can imagine, with this unique structure came some unique challenges. Scheduling was a challenge because we had to work around their busy live show schedule. The weather also presented some interesting challenges during the project. The building itself is very high, and we actually had to use a special basket on a crane to get the guys to the highest section of the roof. From a distance, the roof looks like a metal roof, but it's actually a PVC product designed to look like metal. There's over 45,000 square feet of steep roofing area that our guys traversed across to install this roofing product. There was another 60,000 square feet of flat roof that we also installed. So next time you see the Grand Ole Opry, just know that the Escola team had a hand in making the roof look great.